Hello friends, in this video we are going to tell you like in Magento 2.4.3 or Magento 2.4.2 the index.php doesn't require in root folder. Like if I'm in the root folder here the index.php is not there. So where it's gone? So in Magento 2.4.2 and Magento 2.4.3 the latest versions have moved all the data to the pub folder. Now the pub, all the Magento is going to be working with pub folder only. So here there is an index.php. So when you try to install Magento 2.4.2 or 2.4.3, you need to be take care that the root directory you should add pub in the URL and same in the database. If you are not adding the pub in the respective web secure URL or in the when you browse and not adding the pub directly in the URL, so you are getting the error 404 not found, page not found, error redirection. This kind of errors you are getting on. So best solution is that in to just paste the URL like your directory. What is your directory? My directory is Magento latest project community edition slash pub. So I'm just adding this into the database and assessing this with the database, and my all Magento 2.4.3 version is working fine. So I will tell you where you need to add this. So go to the localhost php my admin. This is my database. I don't know why it is not working. Let me open my notebook. I think something wrong with my PHP error string offset curly bracelet official. Maybe this is the because of the PHP version, and you know that Magento version is working on the PHP latest one, like 7.4 is the minimum requirement. So just there is no let's log into the PHP admin and go to the core config data of the database and just add localhost your directory name slash pub folder slash pub, and then try to assess with this URL. You are going to get the Magento installation fully complete. And this is what I have also installed the Magento 2.4.3 version. This is my version. I have already installed that and I have faced what issues. I have already made a video that this is the two common issues, that index.php is not found. What we have to do every time you are getting the CSS is not loading, the JS is not loading. So in that case, you need to just add pub folder or pub directory name into the database and upgrade the command and deploy the command, and then you can see that Magento 2.4.3 is set up perfect. But in Magento 2.4.3, there are certain advancements are there. You can say there is a capture re-advancement is there. Login as a customer is there, and there are more much in you can say the catalog also. Live search is there, but here the Elasticsearch is also like configuration and all is Elasticsearch is there, and what else we have in this JWT, I guess they have modified this also. So you can just get to know about the 2.4.3 releases, what they have new advancements and all. Okay, and I'm also trying to make more videos on that. Okay, if you have any issues in the Magento 2.4.3 is not working, why it's not working. So if you have any issue, just let me know. I will help you in completing this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.